The manager can answer?
Yes po. Yes po.
And siguro my last question is to the participants, to the contestants. I think kahit pa paano sinundot nito kanina.
Sino pong sumundot?
Ay, natanong na somehow, di ba, related lang doon. Because of these acts or stunts na kailangan yung gawin, was there ever a time na parang nagdalawang isip kayo na parang gusto nyo nang mag-back out at ayaw nyo ituloy yung act na...
Natanong ba kanina? Natanong tita? Tapos ulitin-ulit nilang walo? Diyan lang.
Kasi nga, I know, the pressure is there. Kakaiba eh. Kahit na yung napanood lang natin, parang one siguro na factor na pwede kang magdalawang isip. Let's say, napakahirap ng challenges na yun, di ba?
Ako, parang ganito ang tanong. Nakaka-pilot week pa lang, can you assure us today, right now, that you can say, I can do that hanggang sa finale? Would like to hear from everyone. Kasi hindi nyo pa nakikita lahat ng acts. Would you like to assure everyone na walang magba-back out till the finale ng I can do that? Starting off with Sue. Okay, can we share the mic? Kiray, nilagay mo na naman sa upuan mo, sa likod mo eh. Charing lang. Oh, sorry. Ayan. Sorry. Sue. Yun, Tita Aster, tama ba na hindi sila magba-back out hanggang mag-finale? Till the very end of the
Dala po lahat-lahat ng kaya namin. Ibibigay po talaga namin. Walang backing out talaga to.
You're gonna say...
I can do that.
Oh, yan na po nangyari kay So, JC!
I'm a very adventurous guy, so I can do that.
Nice! Wow!
Pinanganak akong palaban, I can do that.
Wow! Dandan!
Yes, I can do that. We will try our best always to improve yung sarili namin. Yun, kaya.
Thank you, Dan. Mamang!
As long na hindi ako duguan.
Hanggat walang dugo.
Hanggat walang dugo, I can do that.
Wow. Pag may dugo, you cannot do
May
that.
dugo, I can promise.
I can promise. RC!
Oo naman po. Yeah, I can do that.
Nice! Gab!
Yeah, so till the end, I will do my best and I believe I can do that.
Oh, and of course,
Yes. We can all do that.
Nice! Hindi pa yun ang last question. Tita Aster, are you good? Nangako na silang till